Tell us about the Amplifon Bay Audiology campaign.
Well, this is obviously about selling hearing aids to the hard of hearing, but what was great about this campaign was that it took a very different tack. I mean, a lot of activity in this area is kind of very retail, often uses features and technology, and you know, Bay Audiology have got great technology. They could talk about that, but they chose to go a very different route.
What made it so special?
Well, partly it was just very high emotion and focusing on that. But I think the clever way was that they, rather than speaking directly or only to the people with a hearing problem, they talked to others who they cared about and they were badly affected by that too, which are friends and family. It was a great way of kind of changing the dialogue and getting actually almost friends and family to act as salesmen on their behalf. And the results were, you know, fantastic in terms of sales.
Congratulations, Amplifon Bay Audiology.